The frequency response of this antenna. This is a 4-stack folded dipole antenna in collinear configuration. As we can see from here, the feed line of the antenna is fed directly on the loop of each element. As can be seen from this video, the coaxial feed line is coming out of the antenna elements connected to a T-connector for the stack configuration. So let's check the frequency response of this antenna. This can be used from 420 to 450 megahertz, as the original design is around 437 megahertz. So let's check the frequency response. So this is now connected to the feed line, an RG8 coaxial cable, as we can see, going through my antenna analyzer. So let's turn this on. So 420 is 1.2. Let's go to 430. As we can see, 440 and 450. Let's check the frequency curve. So my scanning frequency here is from 420 to 450, and we can see that the curve is repeating from 420 to 450. So I'm going to use the antenna on around 440. So let's check the frequency response on those frequency band. So I need to move the cursor to, let's say, I would like to check the 10 megahertz response from 430 to 440 megahertz. So I put this as 443, and the lower frequency to 432. So as we can see here, we have a curve. Let's move this to 433, the lowest frequency from the scanning frequency. So as we can see here, we have scanning frequency of 433 to 443 megahertz. So let's check the dip on the curve. So let's move the cursor. So my starting frequency is 433. As we can see, we have 1.7 BSWR. The antenna is very usable, less than 2:1 across the band. So this is the lowest point, 430. 438.7 is the lowest point of the curve with 1.1:1 BSWR, and the upper band, as we can see from here, 443 is 1.7 BSWR. So this antenna is very usable to the intended frequency of use, with the lowest SWR of 1:1 on 438.7 megahertz UHF. So that's it. Thank you for watching.